Julie from Huntsville, Alabama, has a disposal distress.
It's causing drain problems. Julie writes, my sink backs up when I use my garbage disposal. I've cleaned the pipes and there are no clogs. Can this be because the aerator has been removed from the top of the sink? What say you?
No. Has nothing to do with the aerator, and I wish you lived in Houston because we would probably get you a water heater and a garbage disposal from Abacus Plumbing.
That's right, you get the disposal for free.
But the bottom line is the plumbing's not run right. I don't know why. It could be a vent. It could be a P-trap. But you need a plumber out there to get this thing plumbed properly. It is not anything to do with an aerator. There's something wrong with the vent/drain waste system.
So in other words, she's trying to send something down. There's nowhere for the air to come up.
Probably.
Okay. So get a plumber. Get a good one.
No, yeah, it's the simplest thing. I'm just telling you. It's just, I wish you were here.
And I tell you,
Alan would be out there fixing, not him personally,
it's a
but
good
he'd be one of those
qualifier.
guys.
It's a good qualifier to know whether you have a competent plumber, an adequate to the job. So if he comes, he can't figure it out. Call a different plumber. That's all it is.
Yeah.
All right. You got a question? We'll help you out. Send it to us just like that using the Ask Tom forum. We'll answer just like these questions over here. And please, would you help us and subscribe to our channel? Thanks.